Hi everyone, my name is Jared Rhodes, and welcome to my course, Developing Microsoft Azure Intelligent Edge Solutions. I am a Microsoft MVP for Azure at Kimata Technologies, a consulting and training firm based out of Atlanta, Georgia. In this course, we're going to cover Edge and IoT architecture in Microsoft Azure. We're going to discuss event ingestion and Azure's IoT Hub. We will go over hot, warm, and cold path architectures and the tools available to implement them in Azure. Then, we will cover real-time and batch processing and how they fit into Edge and IoT architectures. By the end of this course, you'll know the concepts of Edge and IoT architecture and the tools available to you in Microsoft Azure to implement. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with the Azure portal and C#. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to implement edge computing in Microsoft Azure with the Developing Microsoft Azure Intelligent Edge Solutions course at Pluralsight.